Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into JCPenney Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.jcpenney.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here, click on My Account option. Now in this login portal, you'll have to enter your email address associated with your account and your valid password. If you want your device to keep you signed in the next time you try to log in, then check the box that says Keep me signed in. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then click on Create Account button. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into JCPenney Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.